All right, let's carry on with our project. I'm going to fix a leak in my watering system. Right here, I found it this morning. And as you can see, it sure looks to me like something's been chewing on it, because I don't weed eat here. And look at how I just have no idea what that would be. Anyway, simple repair. Cut that flush. Make sure there's no actual holes in any of it. And you see I've got I think it's a 1 gallon emitter. The little black ones are the 1 gallon emitters. The bigger pots, the red ones, I have 2 gallon emitters. And that worked pretty good all last year. I never had water coming out of the drain holes, and I never had any of them go dry. But anyway, let's get this repair done. And just a simple straight connector. And they can be hard to push together. But there. Problem solved. Make sure everything's good. All right.